moving right along to Developer of the Year, and we have a lot of developers here. Can I invite a CPI, Barbara Bichorek, to hand out this award? And Dr.
We have a very long list of the nominees, and here they are. Adgar Poland, AFI Europe, Astana Property Management, CGP Invest, Echo Investment, Jelanko, Globe Trade Center, Catharsis Development, Lieberhenwood Poland, Panatoni Europe, Passive Investments, Unibail Rodamco Westfield, Vaimpex, White Star, Yarial.
So very long list of probably every developer in Central Europe up here, or quite a few of them. So Barbara, thank you for coming and helping us hand out this award and helping us sponsor it as well.
I'm pleased to announce the Developer of the Year is AFE Europe.
Thank you everyone, thanks the jury. It has been a great year for AFE Europe. We're very proud of this award. Thank you.
So congratulations, come join us for a photo over here. Yeah.